His head is exploding. Trump melts down on Truth Social as bad poll numbers get even worse. Salon. Trump resorts to bizarre conspiracy theories and insists real polls show him leading. Below are your comments. With every day that passes, Trump becomes more of a liability to the Republicans. By the way, 2 recent private polls in Ohio conducted by Republicans revealed that Trump is garnering less than 50% of the vote against Harris. Oops. The latest Trump rally. Keep playing the Titanic song, and please go down with it. Trump creates his own reality. The wealth that he thinks he has is his safety net. He doesn't have to live in the real world. He probably thinks his money can solve his problems. That has worked very well in the court system. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.